Hello, good morning, everyone. In our previous session, we have already seen in what is the correlation coefficient and what is the regression line of y on x and x on y. So this is the example is obtain the two regression line from the following data and hence find the correlation coefficient. So here we are given in the value of x and y. The value of x is 6, 2, 10, 4, 8, and the value of y is 9, 11, 5, 8, 7. So the solution is here n is equal to 5. So x bar is equal to what? X bar is equal to summation x upon n. That means sum of all the values of x divided by number of terms. That means what? 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. Here the second one is the value of y bar. Y bar is equal to summation y upon n. That means first sum of all the values of y and divided by number of terms. That means 40 divided by 5, we get the y bar is equal to 8. So here we make the table. First we write the column of x and the column of y. So here we write 6, 2, 10, 4, 8, and the value of y is 9, 11, 5, 8, 7. So first we write the formulas of regression coefficient of y on x and x on y. Because of according to our formula, we make the table. So here we write both the formulas. Byx is equal to summation x minus x bar y minus y bar divided by summation x minus x bar whole square, and the regression coefficient of x on y. First we say y on x, then we write byx, and next first we say x on y, so we write bxy. In see here in the last one we write the variable x, so in the denominator we write only the term of x. Got it? And the next one is here we write the y, so in the denominator we use the term of y. So we make the table. First we write x minus x bar. That means what? Our x is 6, 2, 10, 4, 8, and our x bar is 6. So here 6 minus 6, 0, 2 minus 6 minus 4, 10 minus 6 plus 4, 4 minus 6 minus 2, and 8 minus 6 plus 2. So next is y minus y bar. So here this is our column of y, and y bar is equal to 8. So 9 minus 8, 1, 11 minus 8 plus 3, 5 minus 8 minus 3, 8 minus 8, 0, and 7 minus 8 minus 1. Second is we make the value of x minus x bar whole square. So here the column of x minus x bar and square x minus x bar whole square. So 0 minus 4 whole square 16, 4 whole square 16, minus 2 whole square 4, 2 whole square 4. Next we make the y minus y bar. So here 1 into 1 1, 3 into 3 9, minus 3 into minus 3 9, 0 into 0 0, and minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to plus 1. And our last column is we write x minus x bar into y minus y bar. So here this is the x minus x bar column and this is the y minus y bar column. So we write 0 into 1 0, minus 4 into 3 minus 12, 4 into minus 3 minus 12, minus 2 into 0 0, and 2 into minus 2, 2 into minus 1 is equal to minus 2. So next we find summation x is equal to 30. We have already seen because of we finding the x bar and y bar. summation y is equal to 40, summation x minus x bar 0, summation y minus y bar 0, summation x minus x bar whole square 40, summation y minus y bar whole square 20, and summation x minus x bar y minus y bar is equal to minus 26. See here, minus 12, minus 12, minus 2, that means minus 26. So first we find the regression coefficient of y on x. That means we write the byx is equal to summation x minus x bar y minus y bar divided by summation x minus x bar whole square is equal to what we write, summation x minus x bar y minus y bar is equal to minus 26. So we write minus 26 divided by 40 is equal to minus 0.65. Or next is bxy is equal to summation x minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by summation y minus y bar whole square. So here we write the same values in the numerator. We write minus 26 divided by 20 because of we get the value of summation y minus y bar whole square is equal to 20. So we get minus 1.3. See here carefully, in the property of the regression coefficient, we have same sign of both the regression coefficient. Got it? So here byx is minus 0.65. So bxy is also minus 1.3. The equation of regression line of y on x is, we say firstly y on x. So our formula started from the variable of y. So y minus y bar is equal to byx. That means what? Regression coefficient of y on x. In the multiplication, x minus x bar. So put all these values in the given equation. Y minus 8, because y bar is equal to 8, is equal to minus 0.65 x minus x bar. X bar is equal to 6. So here y is equal to minus 0.65 x multiply minus 0.65 into bracket x minus 6 plus 11.9. So this is our first equation, regression line of y on x. Our next equation is the equation of regression line of x on y. So x minus x bar is equal to bxy y minus y bar. So x minus 6 because of x bar is equal to 6 is equal to minus 1.3 because of regression coefficient of x on y is equal to minus 1.3. Got it? And here y minus 8. So solve this equation, simply find this equation. So we make x is equal to minus 1.3 y plus 16.4. So here this is our second equation, that means regression line of x on y. So next we find the correlation coefficient. So the properties of the correlation coefficient is r is equal to under root byx into bxy. That means both the regression coefficient and multiply both the regression coefficient, and we get the values of correlation coefficient. So is equal to root, what is the value of byx? Byx is minus 0.65 and bxy is minus 1.3. So here we get the value of r is equal to 0.9192 because of minus into minus is equal to plus, and value of r is lies between minus 1 to plus 1. We have already seen in our previous session. Okay, but what is the property of the correlation coefficient? So since byx and bxy both are negative, if both the regression coefficients are negative, then the value of r is also negative. That means if both the regression coefficient are negative sign, then we write minus sign in our correlation coefficient. So here we get the value of R is equal to plus 0.9192, but according to our property we write R is equal to minus 0.9192. So this is our final answer. So our next question is x is equal to 100, 98, 78, 85, 110, 93 and 80. And according to x, y is equal to 85, 90, 70, 72, 95, 81 and 74. Solve this question and we get the value of byx is equal to 0.785 and bxy is equal to 1.1746. So here we find the correlation coefficient. So R is equal to 0.9602. See here carefully, both the regression coefficient have positive sign. So R is equal to positive. This is the last question regarding our correlation coefficient. So the question is, if the two lines of regression are 4x minus 5y plus 30 equal to 0 and 20x minus 9y minus 107 is equal to 0. So which of these are lines of x on y and y on x? Find the regression coefficient. In this question, we have two regression line and we find which of one is x on y and which is the y on x. So here we write the first regression line for the line 4x minus 5y plus 30 equal to 0. For example, in this regression line, we write minus 5y is left hand side and other both values are right hand side. So here we write minus 5y is equal to minus 4x minus 30. Got it? So y is equal to divided by minus 5. So 0.8x plus 6. Here 0.8 is our byx because of if our regression line is started from y minus y bar, then we use the regression coefficient of y on x. And if our regression line is started from x minus x bar, so our regression coefficient is bxy. So here byx is the coefficient of x, that means byx is 0.8. For example, if we write in this equation 4x is as it is, that means 4x is left hand side and other values are right hand side. So see here 4x is equal to 5y minus 30. So x is equal to what? 5 by 4y minus 30 by 4. That means here the coefficient of the y is 1.25. So this is not valid because this is the greater value. Okay. Sometimes we use both the equations and we confused which of the x on y and what is the regression line of y on x. So follow this process. Okay. For the line, second line is 20x minus 9y minus 107 is equal to 0. So here, because of this regression line is y on x. So obviously this regression line is x on y. Got it? So here 20x is as it is and other values we write in the right hand side. So 20x is equal to 9y plus 107. So we get x is equal to, divided by whole the equation by 20. So x is equal to 9 by 20y plus 107 by 20. So here x is equal to 0.45y plus 5.35. So here bxy is, this is the regression coefficient of x on y, because in our left hand side the formula started from the variable of x, so we use the regression coefficient of x on y. So here the coefficient of y is equal to bxy is equal to 0.45. Here both the regression coefficient, that means byx and bxy, are positive. Hence line 4x minus 5y plus 30 equal to 0 is the line of regression of y on x, and line 20x minus 9y minus 107 is equal to 0 is the line of regression of x on y. So next we find the correlation coefficient. So what is the property of the correlation coefficient? R is equal to under root byx into bxy. That means in the under root we write both the regression coefficient. The values is 0.8 into 0.45. So we get the value of R is equal to 0.6. So this is some important example of the correlation coefficient and regression line x on y and y on x. So always keep in mind these formulas are very important and very easy. According to this formula, we find very easily find the values of correlation coefficient, regression line, regression coefficient. Okay, so in our next session I will continue in our rank of correlation. Okay.